Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator drain tube. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new drain tube. The drain tube drains water away from the evaporator into the drain pan. The main reason to be changing it out, so if it's damaged, you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the refrigerator. Now that we're around back, we have to remove the access panel. We're going to use the 5/16" nut driver to take out all the screws that hold it on. Once you have all the screws out, you can pull it out and set it aside. Now that we have the access panel off, we have access to the drain tube. It goes from the drain pan up to the bottom of the refrigerator. First thing we're going to do is cut the zip tie off. We're just going to use the wire cutter to cut it off. Once you have it off, you can throw it away. Once you have the zip tie off, we're going to use a 1/4" nut driver to take out the screw that holds this water line on. Then we're going to use the same 1/4" nut driver to take out the lower screw that holds the water valve on. Just need to swing this out of the way so we can pull the hose off. Once you have the screws out, it's hooked onto the frame right here, so we're just going to lift up on it and then pull it out. Now that we have the water valve out of the way, you can see the drain tube where it attaches to the bottom of the cabinet right here. It's got a zip tie on there that looks like it slid down, so it's not really holding it on anymore. So we're just going to pull down on it to pull it off the fitting, and then slide it off and pull it out. Once you have it out, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old drain tube next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new drain tube in, we're going to put a zip tie around the fitting at the top so we can kind of snug it down, hold it in place like the other one had. You don't want to pull it tight. You just want to get it situated like it's going to sit in the machine. And then kind of snug it down up here so it doesn't fall off. But once we put it on there, we can tighten down the zip tie. Once you have it ready, we can pull the valve out of the way and just feed it up through here. And then we can go put it on the fitting. In order to help get the fitting on, we're going to spray it with a little bit of water in there. You don't want to get the wires wet or anything, but get the fitting wet. That'll make it a lot easier for the drain tube to slide up on the fitting. Once you have the drain tube in place, we're going to use this zip tie cutter gun that we can reach in there a little bit and pull on the zip tie and cut it off. If you don't have one, you can just do the best you can with what you got. Once you have the zip tie secure, we're just going to grab the water valve and carefully push it back in here. And then we have to hook it into the hole right there. Once you have it in place, we can use the 1/4" nut driver to put the screws back in. Once you have the water valve back in, we can grab the end of the drain tube and put it in the clip. And we're going to wrap a zip tie around it to hold it in place. Once you have it tightened down, we can grab the wire cutters and cut the end off. Then we can put the access cover back on. Just have to line it up, and we can use the 5/16" nut driver to put the screws back in. Once you have the access panel back on, you can plug the refrigerator in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.